How to full screen on Windows. Hello everyone, welcome to the video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys a few methods to get your Windows full screen. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and hit the subscribe button as well. So the very first method is a common one. You will just have to press the maximize button right here to full screen, and to go back you just click it again and it will go back on your window. The second one is to snap it against your screen's corner. So go ahead and drag this window and snap it against the corner and it will get to your full screen. Now if you want to bring it back, just drag it down like this and you should be back to your normal window. Now the other method is to use keyboard shortcuts. So the first one is I'm going to show you guys right here. You just have to press Windows right here, hold it down and press the up arrow like this. So I'm just going to show you right here. I'm just going to press Windows plus up arrow like this and it will snap the window to full screen mode. And if you want to bring it back down, press Windows plus down arrow. Now the other method is to actually press your function key. So go ahead and press function plus F11, or in some cases you can just press F11 on your keyboard. You can find the function keys right above the number key, and here you will find the function 11 key. Go ahead and press this function button and F11. So I'm just going to do that right now. Go ahead and press function plus F11 and it will snap your window to full screen mode like this. And these are the few ways to snap your windows to full screen mode. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.